Alright, so if this video means you want to start a business, but you don't know or you don't have enough money to start a business. So you want to learn or know how to start a business with $0, which this video will help you with. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to start a business with $0. Let's get with this video. So firstly, before you start a business, you need to find number one, ways you can get customers. If you're a B2B company, then you need to find ways to, like, if you want to start a B2B business, then your sole aim is to have a way to get leads for free, contact leads of the businesses you want to serve. Then if you're a B2C company, you need to find ways you can attract your ideal customers to your product. So firstly, we have to identify ways we can get customers or clients. Then secondly, we need to find a way to create credibility. That shows credibility is what I mean by when you actually find a way. If you're a B2B company, when you actually find a way to book calls with clients, what are the things you will show the clients to tell them that, okay, you know what you're doing and you've done it before, like a demo video exactly. So in this video, that's what we're going to be talking about. So firstly is credibility. Before anybody buys anything from you, they have to be sure that what they are buying is correct and they are buying from a trustworthy source. Now they have not bought from you before, so the trust level is going to be very low. It's going to be flat. So before they trust you, you have to show them something to push your credibility that you know what you're doing and they can trust you. That's what I meant. So what is the way you can build that for free? So if you're a B2B company, if you B2B business, what I mean by a B2B business, you serve is business to business. You serve other businesses. That you offer a service. So let's say you offer a service of AI automation. Let me give an example like the one I'm doing, AI receptionist. And before the business owner gives you, before they actually trust you and pays you, you have to use what is called Loom. Loom is a screen recording software on your device, on your laptop. Then you use Loom to screen record how your AI receptionist handles calls, books meeting and all that. Then after you do that, it's going to be free, but the free version has some limitations, but the limitations are enough for you to do your demo video. So that is that for a B2B company. But for a B2C company, that is business to customer. Your ideal people are consumers, it's not businesses. So let's say you say have a product of beauty now, like beauty cream and all that. Just do a video of you showing doing your beauty cream and before and after effects. That's to build credibility and trust with your future customers. So now we are done with credibility. Now, how do we actually outreach and get clients? If you're a B2B company, how can you find leads of other businesses you serve? One way you can get it for free is by using Google Maps. If you go to Google Maps, let's say you serve realtors, for example, or real estate agents, for example. Then you go to Google Maps and type real estate agents in your area. Then it's going to give you out the list of real estate agencies and their phone numbers. Then you go to call them. Remember, volume wins. Volume always wins. So just after you get the number, then start your cold call. Then if you're a B2C company, you can get clients by. Let's say you own a product that helps artists, for example. You're going to look for groups where artists hangs out in, and you're going to use your video you created for credibility and use it to market that your products in the groups that you find your ideal customers in. That is just the easiest cheat code. So with that, my friend, that's how you start a business with $0. But if you want me to go extra and add a website, it's very easy to get a website for free for your business. Use lovable.dev. Tell it how you want your website to be, or everything about your business, or you go to ChatGPT first and tell ChatGPT everything about your business. Then it will give you, then ask you to give you a prompt so that you can build you can build a website on Lovable. Then it's going to give you a prompt. You're going to copy and paste it. It's going to build the website for you. You're going to just click publish, and it will give you a special link you will use to be accessing the website. Then do this and tag me later. You're welcome. See you in my next video. Peace.